Hi guys, hello, how are you today? My name is Leo. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm so excited. I'm making another DIY project. Today I'm gonna show you my DIY wireless charger. I know you can find this kind of product on Amazon, probably like $40 and $50. But the thing is like those things is kind of big to me. For this kind of products, you really want to carry that around without noticing. And then you use it when you need it. So let me show you the finished product first. Then I'm gonna show you how I make that. Let's go! To finish this product, we need two main components. First, we need a battery. Second, we need a charger. Luckily, I have those two things laying around collecting dust. The battery choice, I'm gonna choose this one. The Amazon Basics battery. I bought this long times ago. I don't remember, maybe 5 years ago. It's very good for this product. It's compact. This thing only comes with one cable pre-attached and it's a micro USB cable. So for today's phone, it's a little bit irrelevant. You cannot use it anymore. So it's basically useless, but I can turn it become very useful. And then move on to the Anker Compact wireless charger. I also have this laying around. Another good thing is this one uses a micro USB connector. Great. It basically, you can just plug it in, it lights up, and then put your phone. You call it a day. Really want this thing to become like one product, not something like that. So then I'm gonna show you how I turn this one to become my final product. Let's go again. So as you can see, originally I want to use this Anker wireless charger. I take everything apart, but I find out the PCB is actually bigger than I expected. It has some round shape I did not expect. So I ordered another one on eBay. It's the Samsung wireless charger. So I take that apart and I use the heat iron to desolder the charging pad and the logic board. Then I measured the things holding on the board because I really want the logic board as flush as possible. Then I need to do some cutting on the battery. I'm not cutting on the battery, I'm actually cutting the extra plastic on the battery. I also cut off some plastic from the cord as well. And as you can see, I just simply use some electrical tip and then tape it to stable that. And I find out there's another extra PCB stick out from the corner, and I also cut that off. Then finally I just use some shipping label to print a logo to locate where the charging pattern is, and then just simply wraps around. So I finally done with the project. It's been a while because originally I want to use the Anker wireless charger, but when I opened it, the PCB does look bigger than I thought, so I have to order another one from eBay, and it takes a while. But today I finished it. It ended up good. It works. and also come with the LED lights. I mean, why not? That looks cool too. But still, when I use the Samsung's wireless charger, I still need to cut off some PCB that like stick out of the edge, because I really want the edge flush as possible. But I mean, even though I cut off some PCB, it works fine. And I put everything as thin as possible to stick together. And final, I use the shipping label to wrap around, and I print the label to locate where the charging pattern is. But it really didn't look that good. It doesn't look like a finished product, it's more like a prototype. But hey, that's the best I could do for now. If you're better than me, you can create your own logic board. I mean, yeah, if you could 3D print a case, that would be nice. I mean, that's what I can do for now. But I'm not done yet. I will also do the other 2 more projects with this product. I'm not done with it. So if you want to see more something like this, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. I think we're done here. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.